Here, what I want to tell you is, in painting, we have this elaborate style of draperies blown by the wind. So suddenly, if you come to that 6 dynasties, we are going to see that Shani becomes a little bit more multi-layered, and then looser. But it's not that clothes itself became a looser. It's a pictorial representation style, so that they want to show animation, like as if people are alive and walking around, so that they make expressively loose draperies blown by the wind. So that's an artistic style, blown by the wind. But because pictorial style became a little bit more sophisticated, we also get more information about intricate dress culture, like shoes, paying more attention, right? Shoes are shown, or ornaments, hair ornaments, right? Women usually carry this kind of fruit spines on the top, or more sashes. The sashes are long and elongated, but the basic type, like, you know, the contrasting colors on the neck and cuffs and hem, they don't change, they remain, but usually the, you know, drapery is blown by the wind, meaning this girl, this woman, fairy actually, is walking really fast, as if gliding over the river, walking fast kind of style. But you will now notice that she has waistband and some garments in different colors. So the overall silhouette of waist and then the tapered, like a flared skirt, didn't change, but you will realize that somehow she has more layers of clothes. So we don't really have to worry so much about this. I usually talk a lot about this in my, but you know, live motion is very important in this case. And then this is not painted on silk. This is painted on wood. It's a wood screen, but you will see the same style. Like women's draperies are blown by the wind. This one is more like a symmetrical, and then earlier it's a little bit more like exaggerated on the back side of the skirt. But you know, similar ideas. So this is a comparison, like, you know, blown by the wind. It's a similar idea, but painter is actually a little bit more enlightening and animated expressions. And then the same kind of dress also shown in sculpture. This is a stone sculpture. So women's hair overall pretty exaggerated on the top, right? You can definitely see that they have a heavy hair on the top, and then draperies are accentuated, and you can also see the many folds are created. So loose and light garments, layered, and then quite extravagant. So this is a close-up of the beautiful lady. So this is her hair. She makes a beautiful, like a ribbon, and then the floral decoration on the top, and then her garment is, this looks like a chenille, right? But on the top, she has a jacket coming to the knee, and then one more skirt in red. So you see that, oh, so she has many layers. Definitely her clothes are more layered than the men's clothes, right? Man is having, this is like a powerful style, like a long garment outside, right? Like a powerful, like a long sleeve, and then the V-necks, and then the waistband. So let's put this. So this new style, layered one, like, you know, some sort of skirt that you see, is ruqun. This style coexisted with chenille, but somehow we see this skirt more often in 6 dynasties period. And the reason is because it's a little bit more active. As women go to Buddhist temples, as women go to visit some other places, they also need a little bit more active wear. And eventually, if you go to Tang Dynasty, women can ride horses as well. So it's called ruqun style. So it's composed of the upper garment and skirt. It's very similar to Three Kingdoms period of, right? And then you wear just the sash, or you can add another skirt, like a waist skirt, but it can come down to the knee, waist skirt, and then put the sash. And then you can add a little bit of hanging ornaments around here. So if you have this style, then that's how you are going to see a little bit more layered looking in this kind of examples. And then sashes are also in multi-layers, right? You have like a 1, 2, 3, 4 sashes, because you need one for original skirt, and then you may wear another one on the top with waist skirt. So these are again the diagrams of showing how you wear the ruqun style dress. So these are Tang. We have to. The Three Kingdoms and 6 dynasties are actually close to this, but you don't have this jacket. And then if you go to the Tang, you are going to have a tube top dress or empire waist dress, tube top dress, and then you don't have a jacket. You put the large shawls around your hair, around your shoulder. So that is the development. And this one is a little bit of exaggeration of the skirt.